Hello friends, welcome to Destination of Flavors. Baked pasta has always been one of my favorites, especially when loaded with veggies. Let's see what all veggies I added in the vegetarian baked pasta without oven. First, boil 200 gram pasta in salted water. Add 1 teaspoon oil to avoid pasta sticking each other. Here I use penne pasta. You can use pasta as per your choice. Don't overcook pastas. To keep pasta little undone because it will be cooked again during baking. Strain pastas and add cold water to stop cooking process and keep aside. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil or white oil in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic. Saute for a minute. Then add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion and saute until translucent. After that, add diced carrot and beans and saute for a minute. Add salt to taste. Now add sliced baby corn and cook for a minute. Then add green capsicum, red and yellow bell peppers, and sweet corn. Mix together very well and cook for 2 minutes. Don't overcook vegetables. You can add more vegetables as per your choice, like mushrooms, broccolis, spinach. You can also add tofu and paneer. Now add 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon mixed Italian herbs, and chili flakes mixed well. Vegetable mixture is ready. Transfer into a bowl and keep aside. Let's make white sauce with whole wheat flour instead of maida. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic and saute for a minute. Then add 1½ tablespoon of whole wheat flour or atta. Mix continuously on medium flame until light brown. Pour 1½ cup warm milk gradually and stir continuously to avoid lumps. Flame should be low to medium. Add little salt and crushed black pepper. Then add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs and mix well until smooth texture. Finally, add cream cheese or grated processed cheese. Switch off the flame. White sauce is ready. Now take half portion of white sauce in a bowl and keep aside. Now add boiled pasta and vegetable mixture into the remaining white sauce and mix well. Now grease a 6 by 6 inch baking tin with oil or butter. Then first add some portion of white sauce. Then spread pasta veggie mixture. Spread some grated cheese. Here I used cheddar and mozzarella cheese. You can use processed cheese. Then spread white sauce. Repeat this layering process. Do check the video. Finally, spread grated cheese on the top. Arrange some vegetables on the top for garnishing. Sprinkle some dried herbs and chili flakes. Place a stand into a preheated pan. Then place the pasta mixture tin into the stand. Cover and bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour on low to medium flame. Now, veggie loaded baked pasta is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. I will back soon with some recipes. If you like my recipes, please share and subscribe my channel. Till then, stay safe, eat healthy. Bye bye.